What's up, cousins? Alright, so underneath this wig, I just have some twist out prep action going on. If you guys want to know the deets on this twist out, make sure that you are following me over on Instagram. Today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys this colored unit from Hergivenhair. When they contacted me to say they were now doing pre-cut, pre-colored units, I was like, sign me up, honey. This is a lace closure unit, so it just has that closure opening at the top. You can do a middle or like a slight side part. Then it also has 3 combs and of course the adjustable straps at the very bottom. This is what the unit looks like straight out of the box. This is going to be like its natural curl pattern, but today I am going to be prepping it and wearing this wig in a twist out. So I did co-wash this unit off screen and then I just twisted it up with some curl smoothie. Just check the description box for everything that I used on the actual unit. Now I have shown you guys tons of times how I lay the lace, so I am not going to get into that in a lot of detail in this video, but just know that I did use the got to be glued method and I laid down the closure, and then of course I just used the combs in the front of the unit for a little bit more security. So this is what the unit looks like, the final result, and stay tuned for my final thoughts. Honestly, y'all, I am honestly always excited at this point when Hergivenhair reaches out to me to try a new unit, just because I know that it's gonna be good quality hair. I know that whatever they send me is gonna be a good unit. So it's just like, what y'all done cooked up now? Like, so a couple of things that I did want to talk to you guys in regards to getting a colored unit, what I experienced with this unit, and some things that you guys may want to expect so that it's just not really shocking if you decide to order this unit for yourself. It was a lot. A lot of hair dye running into the sink, and so I almost got alarmed at first. I'm like, oh my god, am I like rinsing all the color out of this unit? By the time I finish co-washing this unit, is it gonna be like blonde, black, brown again? But that's just, again, that's one of the things, especially with red unit. Red tends to run, like no matter what. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that my hair was red once upon a time. It almost was this exact color red. Obviously it was very close to the time, around the time when I did my big chop, so my hair was a lot shorter than this unit and what my natural hair is now. But I have always been somebody who has loved the look of red hair. I just don't love the upkeep of red hair. Like, this gives me the best of both worlds, to give me something that is similar to my curl pattern, but I can like try new things like hair color, child. Yes, my twist out don't look this good though, okay? But the unit, for it to be a color treated unit, like even before I started adding products to it, it just like all the rest of the Hergivenhair, it is really soft. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Tell me what you think in the comment section of this wig. Tell me, you know, are you feeling the red color on me? Like, is this a fall color? So I love you guys so much. We are almost at 100K and I am so excited. So you tell your other cousins, your auntie, your mama, your daddy, subscribe to my channel and become my cousin. And I'll see you guys in the next video.